Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Test of all, it's been a while since we've made a proper upload. We've been very busy of late and we haven't been getting enough time to actually do videos. Today it's gonna be a bit of a different video, so I'm just gonna do a vlog style video. My first time. I've never done this before. AC has been quite busy and so I'm just helping her out, and yeah, the channel as well. So today I'm just gonna show you or take you guys around updates we've been working on around the backyard and upcoming videos. So we've been doing quite a few things around the yard which we have managed to record, but we're just gonna edit the videos before we upload them. I'm gonna show you a little bit on what we've been working on. Enjoy guys, hope you enjoy. One of the few things that we've been working on are some new plants. AC is more into animals. She loves animals, chickens and all the other stuff, and I'm more of the green thumb person. I love plants, so I've made a few trims on this holy basil. We got this from our neighbor when we moved onto the property a few years ago, and today it's more on the few things that we've been planting around, some veggies, right? And we also have a few veggies that we slotted into the beds with the holy basil. And then here we had a few plants. We had a few flowers. That's marigold. It's now drying out, but it was all yellow and nice, right? And then this side we decided we're gonna put a vegetable garden as well. So we've got some kale that we planted this side, so starting here all the way to there. So you just want to see if the kale is gonna do well. And then we have a bit of space as well this side, which we are going to utilize for growing vegetables as well. So we're gonna put some buckets along the wall, and this side we also put maybe a hydroponic system. And yeah, so all of this stuff is just gonna go all the way. The pipes are gonna go all the way down there to the pool side. I'll show you the pond that we're working on. So that's going to be our reservoir for the nutrient solution. So it's going to be quite a very big garden. And yeah, so this side as well, we have a little bit of veggies that we planted. So we've got vegetables everywhere now. So what we want to try and do is to do what they call companion planting. So we're just trying that out, and I see this side the vegetables are doing very well. I think these are 2 weeks old when we transplanted them, and they're doing very well. So that it's a little bit cold these days and the sun isn't coming out a lot. And then here we're gonna empty the pool, clean it up as well. We'll only refill this in the next maybe 3 to 4 months when it's summer. Currently it's winter, so no need for this for water, otherwise it will just cost us in terms of maintenance without us even swimming. And then here we have a few tomatoes that we planted. So I've had to plant these are cuttings from the raised bed. I'll show you now when I get there. So it was an experiment. I just wanted to check if they work in terms of transplant. So it looks like it's working. This one is already got some shoots, and yeah, they're doing very well. And then the rabbits, I think we do maybe a full video on this, but this white rabbit had some babies. I think it had 2 or 3 babies. They didn't make it, but it's just something yeah, that was interesting. Oh, I didn't notice. So this rabbit has been chewing this plastic fence. There's a big hole here. Oh my god. I wonder why it didn't jump out. Oh, so it was a bad idea to put this plastic. Dude, what you been doing? Okay, but I'll have to patch that so that it doesn't jump out. Yeah, and back here we've got a full video that we're gonna release. So we had to process some of our chickens. We had some broilers that we were keeping in that other side of the chicken coop, and we had about 100 of them. We slaughtered all of them, except just a few that we left in there. But the full video is coming out. I think we only left about 3 or so. We're going to make them part of this flock here of our runaround or road runner chickens. These are the normal chickens. So the broilers, we're gonna make them part of these. We just want to see what happens if you convert a broiler to a normal chicken. Okay, let me show you the broilers quickly that we left. We're still keeping them in here because they're still getting acclimatized to the winter. Oh, I don't know if it's the right word, but we just want them to be a little bit warm. We got a heater there, these 3. So we are now feeding them normal chicken feed, like those other chickens there, and I can see they are getting a bit lean as well. So we just want them to be okay 100% before we move them to the other side. Looks like they're getting there. So a full video is coming on how we processed the broilers in here. It was quite an interesting day when we did that. Okay, and then we also have this side. We've got some kale as well that we planted. These ones I had to put this net on top here because they are at risk. So if any of those chickens escape, this will be the first feast they will have. Yeah, so anyway, so yeah, we put this green kale veggies here just so we can expand our vegetable garden a little bit. And then this side we faced a few issues. We had some rats in here that come and eat up our vegetables. So we had to take out some of the plants, and yeah, good example is this one. They ate this tomato. Not cool, eh? Not cool. So they've been doing this for a while. We had a couple of tsunga, or is it called green mustard? Green mustard, we call it tsunga. Yeah, so they've been eating that, and yeah, it wasn't nice. I think they escaped into these holes here. So I've had to put some red poison just so I can get rid of the rats before we can plant here again. Otherwise, the veggies were thriving though. Yeah, and then this side we've got, it's been a while. So, but this winter I intend to finish this. I'm gonna put some fish if it's not too cold. Else I'll have to connect a heater somewhere on the corner just for the fish to be warm. Yeah, so I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on what's been going on, and hopefully, yeah, you look forward to the next video. Enjoy, guys.